Hello guys, I'm Army. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we want to improve your knowledge about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and today we want to talk about Flexbox direction. So let's do this. To use Flexbox, we need a container and some children in our HTML file, and then we can give the container the display of flex. This creates two axes, a main axis and cross axis. By default, the main axis is horizontal, but we can change it with flex direction property. We can align our items along the main axis with justify content property. Justify content have some options. For example, flex start by default, flex end, center, space between, space around, and finally space evenly. But what about cross-axis? We can align cross-axis items with align items with flex start, flex end, and baseline to align items so that the baseline text of each item. We can use flex wrap when there's no more space available. When we use flex wrap, we can use align content too with flex end, flex start, space between, and center. Also, you can use gap to make gap between each items and use column gap and row gaps too. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe. I hope this tutorial will help you to learn how to use Flex Display. Love you guys, good luck, and see you later.